Welcome to our Mastermind game project. In this video, we will demonstrate the gameplay, login system, win and lose conditions, leaderboard, error handling, and explain how key functions like feedback checking and password encryption work. When the program starts, the user is greeted with our custom ASCII intro and game instructions. First, we demonstrate registration system. When the player chooses new player, the game asks for a username and password. The program checks if the username already exists. If it does, the player is prompted to choose a new one. For instance, if we enter Micah and this username already exists, the game will display Micah already exists. Please choose another. The player is then prompted to enter a new, unique username. Once a unique username is provided, the password is encrypted before saving. Our encryption uses a Caesar cipher. Each letter and number is shifted by 5 positions inside a predefined character list. This ensures the stored password is never saved as plain text. Now we play as the newly registered user. The goal is to guess the secret 4-color code within 10 attempts. Our feedback system compares the guess to the secret code. A black peg means correct color in the correct position, while a white peg means correct color but in the wrong position. When the player guesses all 4 positions correctly, the program detects 4 black pegs and displays the success message. After winning, the game calculates a score based mostly on the number of attempts, which is weighed 95%. The total playtime is included, but only weighted at 5%. This time factor helps break ties between players who solve the code in the same number of attempts. Lower attempts and faster solving time give higher scores. When we open the leaderboard, scores are shown in ascending order as required in the project specifications, with the top 5 players displayed. Next, we show the returning player login. The username is checked, case insensitively, and the stored password is decrypted to verify if it matches the input password. We also implemented proper error handling. Here's what happens if a player enters an incorrect password or a username that does not exist. Now, we demonstrate a loss scenario. If the player reaches 10 attempts without solving the code, the game ends and reveals the secret code. If the player loses, no score is updated. The leaderboard remains unchanged. The game also prevents invalid inputs. If the player enters fewer than 4 letters or uses invalid colors, the game shows an error and does not consume an attempt. Finally, selecting Exit cleanly closes the program. This concludes our Mastermind gameplay demonstration. Thank you for watching.